We're at Fenway today to do an energy efficiency and decarbonization audit. We are really excited to walk through this historic park, and we're checking out basically everything.
In order to prepare, we were provided with all their utility, electricity, and natural gas data, and then evaluated that for any trends, most notably how it compared to outdoor weather patterns, temperature, as well as when the season and the playoffs were on.
So I knew Fenway was a registered historic building, which always comes with an extra layer of constraints around how the site needs to look, maybe how much space the site has to work with, what kinds of changes we could make to the building exterior. I also expected there to be a big mixture of different kinds of equipment. Fenway is in a very common situation in that it's never had someone come in and look at energy holistically across the site.
You've definitely noticed some opportunities that we can target: electricity savings with lighting, weather stripping around doors and windows in the suites that could be applied. One thing we noticed was their building management system does have scheduling capability. So if we feel some equipment is running when it doesn't necessarily need to be, we can shut things off, apply a schedule to them to conserve energy, but definitely some room for improvement that we can focus on.
There are going to be a lot of areas, a lot of different mechanical rooms, mechanical systems that aren't tied together automatically. So there's not going to be a silver bullet that's just going to solve a boiler plant problem or solve an HVAC problem.
These are all pieces of energy using equipment that CLEAResult has seen and sees day in and day out, and it is not unique to us. And so even in a space that is the most unique in America, we are looking around and seeing the type of equipment that we're used to seeing. So we're not going to rely on just our visit today, because we understand that there's a huge difference between the winter operating and the baseball season operating. And so we're going to come back and we're going to take a look at this facility when it is operating, and that'll give us another point of data so that we can really make a recommendation that can be actionable.